This is a Mercedes C240 that we're doing at Clear Coat, and you see all the interior is cream colored. Just to give you an idea what the cost to do something like this would be, about $2,200, and it might include, it might need parts, because there is some parts that break, that come off. Like, we try to get this handle out. It looks like when the car was purchased, someone glued these grab handles. They're all broken. You can see it needs a speaker cover broken. But you can see how dirty the people that had it were. It was just messy. Plus it was cream, so I mean, dirt just gets stuck on there, the grime. But what we're doing is we're repainting the vehicle complete, so which we have to jam it. We're not taking everything off to jam it. We're just trying to make it a real simple color change. So you can see that this is already jamming it silver. That's the color it's going to be. See how nice and clean it looks now? So in the process, we're just redoing all the trim black so that the car looks brand new again. I mean, it's a very nice car, so why not? So this is the before cream and the after. Nice black, durable color. Looks beautiful, like a matte black. And you'll see it when the car's complete. Thank you.